In order to test out this Mxmoonant Centrifuge, we're going to drop in 12 cc's of heavy cream into these 3 pipettes, and let's turn it on. Right now we have it running for 3 minutes at 400. We'll increase that speed. Up to 1,000. We'll let that run for a bit, and we'll check out the results. As this 3 minutes is about to come due, I had moved it up to about 2,000 RPM. The timer's about to hit for the 3 minutes. We can stop the timer. We can reset it for another 3 minutes. Before we start it though, we'll go ahead and stop. We'll take a look at what's the condition of that cream. So far, still looks like cream. I can tell from the sunlight though that there's definitely solids down here. We'll put this back in and we'll get a flashlight, and it's a lot easier. To get it started again, we just push the button and it's going again. Alright, so we've been going for a little while. Slow it down. Once it's stopped, pull one out. And let's take a look at it with the light behind it. Now I think you can see that the solids are getting down here to the bottom, and the top is getting clearer and clearer. Pretty neat. Works really well, very quiet, and this can get up to 4,000 RPM. So if you need something separated that needs more speed, this centrifuge has it. And we can pull it right down from top speed. If we need to get it back up to top speed, just push the button. Hope this helps.